Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Adobe Photoshop on your laptop. Firstly, go to the Adobe Photoshop official website. Select the latest version and click on download. You need to choose your plan and you can choose a free trial of 30 days. Just click trial for temporary access. And if you want to purchase, just click buy now to purchase a subscription. On the purchase page, choose the plan that fits your needs, then carry on with the payment. Register for an Adobe account using Facebook or Google or email. Now, once your subscription or trial plan is confirmed, download the Photoshop installer from the Adobe website. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. And once it's done, you'll have the Adobe Photoshop software on your laptop. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.